Okay, hello everyone. I can tell you how excited I am to share this moment with you. Since our official launch, we've already shown that happens when bold ideas meet the right tool. We've proved that anyone can build fast and without friction. So, what Biela really is? We started with a simple question: what if anyone, anywhere, could build something online without knowing how to code? Not someday, not after months of learning, right now. Well, that's exactly how Biella came into the life. It's a space where your dreams turn into a real product just by writing a prompt. You type, I want a website for my podcast, or build a portal for my class, and Biella makes it happen within minutes. No templates, no drag and drop, no tutorials, nothing. Just you, your idea, and the prompt. Because we believe that creativity shouldn't be limited to people who can code, it should be open to everyone. That's why we built Biella, to remove the barriers, bring more people into the creator economy, and make building things online something anyone can do. We're not doing this alone. Biela is a part of something much bigger, an ecosystem we're building with some of the most trusted partners in the world. Payments are on the way, integrated with one of the biggest fintech platforms. Media tools, images, videos, and Gen AI assets are coming to Biela. Cloud infrastructure and security already in motion, 3D gaming, and creative tools coming soon from worldwide class partners. And that's just the beginning. But here, what I'm really proud of, BLA isn't just a product. It's not just a tool. It's a new way of thinking. We don't just want people to build. We want them to imagine, explore, learn, and create with confidence. This is your space to try new things, to launch ideas, to build what's been sitting on your mind and get it into the real world. Whether you're starting your first side hustle, building a tool for your community, or just playing with the wild ideas you had it for months, you're in the right place. So let's get creative. And now let's talk about the competition. Introducing the Wall of Fame. It's your chance to showcase your project, get voted by a community, and win big. Starting from 15th of April, as it has already been announced during our launch, we are giving away rewards for the winners of a competition. So if you will get the highest vote and you will be the lucky winner of the first prize, you will be given $10,000 of a reward. For the second prize, we're promising $5,000. The third place will go away with a $1,000, and seven more creative people will be getting 1 month of a free access on Biela. So one more month, including the 1 month of a free trial that we're already offering to you all. So all the details live on Biela website. You can go there, read the terms and conditions, and join the competition now. Please don't waste time. We have a very limited slot, and we really want to see everything you've got on your plate for us. So now I'm going to pass to my colleague, George, who is going to teach you something very interesting. George?
Own portfolio website using BLA. I will show you how you can receive emails through the contact form of that website. And I will teach you how you can submit your website to the BLA contest and you can win up to $10,000. Let's begin. We tell BLA to create a simple portfolio website for a photographer, let's say. And let's be a little more specific. We want rounded corners, colors, not very crowded, and we need a contact form. Include a contact form. We hit the send button. We wait a little bit. Now it started thinking, and it will start very soon to write the code. Okay, it started to write the code. It will first define what libraries it needs for the website. It will install the libraries. While it installs the libraries, I can assure you that it already started writing code, just that you don't see this yet. You will see in a minute. Look. As soon as it finished to install the libraries, 5 or I think 6 files appeared in split of a second. This means that they were already being written, just that it didn't update in the file manager here. We let it be 1 or 2 minutes. Meanwhile, let's talk about the email delivery. To receive emails from your website, you need the email delivery system. Easiest to integrate, I think it's email.js.com. You can sign up for it, or you can use any other email service you want. Click sign in or sign up if you don't already have an account. Okay, you then need to add your email service. Click on add new service, choose your email service, Gmail, Yahoo, Zoho. If you have your own email server, you can even use SMTP, or if you are a more advanced user, you can use Mailgun, Brevo, SendGrid, and so on. I already configured mine. Then you go to email templates, create a new template. You can choose a pre-existing template, or you can build your own one. I will choose this one because it's suitable for what we need. Let's go back to Biela. Okay, it already finished. We have a nice website here. We have some pictures. We have a filter. Really nice. Okay, and we have a contact form message. Now, some of you told us on the Telegram group that you receive an error. Let's simulate that error, and I will show you how to fix it. Some of you have a blank white screen in the preview tab, or you receive a message, no preview available. To fix this, go back to code tab, and in the terminal at the bottom of the page, write this: npm install and npm run dev. You hit enter. Okay, so now the website is live. You can see it. We can also deploy it if we want. It will take a few seconds. It's really nice. We have nice hover animations here. About me, Alex Morgan. Work with me. It goes to the contact form. Okay, our website is already live. We can share this link with anyone, and everyone will be able to see the website. Let's see if it's responsive. Okay, it is. We have nice menu. Okay, we don't have a close button as far as I can see, but Biela can fix this. Let's go back to the desktop version. Okay, so now we have the contact form. We can tell Biela that I want the contact form to work with email.js. What are the steps I need to follow? We put it in the chat mode using this button, and we hit send. It will show you step by step what you need to do. You see, set up an email service, create an email template, install email.js in our project. Perfect. Let's go back to code and let's tell Biela, install email.js in my project. This is the template I will be using for the contact form, and we give it the template. We just copy it. That's all. It just needs to see the variables. We hit send. We wait a little bit. Okay, it's installing. Our web page went blank again because it needed to install a new library. it should restart the server after it's finished writing the code. If not, you use the command that I provided you earlier. Okay, it's showing us the instructions again. We have to get our public key. Go to account, API keys in your dashboard and copy the public key. Okay, let's go on the dashboard, account. We have public key here. Okay, so let's tell him this. My public key is, or we can fill it in the environment file without any issues. It should work. It also needs service ID. Let's see where can we find the service ID. It should be here. And we have our service ID. My service ID is, and our template ID. Templates, create the template again. Let's save it. Okay, template is there. It's saved. Let's see where can we find the template ID. It's in settings. My template ID is. And now we tell him, please, you fill in all these IDs and make it work. We can also tell him restart the server when you are done, so we don't have to restart it manually. It should take a few seconds. By the way, while this is being done, our live website, it's still live. Nothing is broken, it still works, because this is just a preview. The deployed version works on another server, which is separate from the preview. Okay, let's see if it works. It restarted the server. Let's go here and let's write here. George, your email. We hit the send button. Okay, we have a really nice confirmation message here. It usually just uses the alert function, which is built in every browser. Let's see if we received the email. Okay, we received it. I will show you here. And we can already see that the title is missing. So let's tell Biela, the subject is missing, sorry. There is no subject in my email. Please make sure that the subject filled in by the user is shown in the email. Use the, and let's see how that variable is called. Oh, we don't have it. Oh, look, we have it here, title. Use the title variable for this. Okay, let's send the prompt and let's watch him writing the code for that. Shouldn't take very long. Okay, it's done. It gave us some details on the left. And let's try again. George at teachmecode.ai, subject. I want to get in touch. Let's see. I have a job opportunity for you. And let's send the message. Okay, let's see how the email is received. Give me a second until I open my email. Okay, and we have it here. We have the title here and we have the customer. Now we can customize template even more by including the email or the phone number of the customer in the template and so on. But this is very easy. I'm sure you will be able to do so. Now let's submit this project to the contest. We are deploying it again to make sure the latest version of the website is live. We give it a couple of seconds. Okay, then what we do is click on this thing right here. It will show your name in the top right corner. Go to user dashboard. Okay, there are a few conditions that you want to met to be able to qualify for our contest. And we have portfolio, photography portfolio website. It's the first one that appears here. It's the last one that you build. By the way, we have a nice development comparison. We'll see how much would this website cost if it would have been made with a standard approach by hiring developers, and how much time it took Biela to build it. It's just an approximation. Of course, the price can vary depending on the country, on the team of developers you use, and so. Okay, what we want to do now is to click the Publish to Contest button. We give it a couple of seconds. It's generating all the details using AI, so you don't have to do nothing else. You don't need to make print screen, write summary, description, and so on. And we can already see it in the contest page. We give it 1 minute to update. Let's refresh it. Okay, we have some websites here, and we should have our own website as well. Portfolio. Scroll down a little bit. Photography portfolio website. Here is it. And that's it. This is our website. Nice overview, key features, descriptions, a link to see the website. And that's it. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.
Well, thank you so much, George. That was very interesting to listen. And I just want to say something. George is very sick today, but no matter, as you can see, he joined us and he put effort. This is one of the indicators of how much we're dedicated to the community that we're building. It's a very important part of our project. And no matter what, every Friday at 8 p.m., we will be showing up for all of you guys. So now it's a Q&A session. John, George, and me, we're all, you guys have our full attention, and let's get it started. So let's get with the most interesting question that we have here now. Is there a call every Friday? Yes, every Friday at 8 p.m. We're going to be waiting for all of you at our YouTube stream channel. So please join us. We will be announcing it in all the social media platforms. I've only seen Biela create English copy. Are there any other languages available? Yes, there is many languages available. George, can you please list the languages that we currently have, and if there is any other languages that we're going to implement anytime soon?
Yeah, of course, it's basically any language that AI can understand, that it can understand, I think, all of them. I don't know all the languages that exist in the world, but I'm pretty sure that most popular languages are supported. And not even you can write in any language, you can even speak in any language. And we have tested it in English, of course, Spanish, Italian, Romanian. It works. You can try it.
Perfect, perfect. Next question. Can I manually add variables to the env file?
Yes, you can add variables manually to the env file by going in the file list, selecting the env file, and just typing your variables.
Perfect. Better, George. Thank you, guys. Well, this is the whole point of having a community, because it's a teamwork and it really motivates us. Thank you, guys. Okay, once the website is created, what steps can I take to ensure it's secure and protected from potential hacker attacks, particularly from e-commerce platforms? Very nice question. Please.
Okay. Hello, Ovidiu. Ovidiu is one of our most engageful, let's say,
Very active
users
user.
that are using Biela. The AI usually writes pretty secure code. Of course, if you want to build a big website, you may want to make an audit for security. In my opinion, you shouldn't trust AI for such issues. They are specialized people who they do this for a living. They might be a little bit better and they might have a little better tools than the AI. But for simple websites, I'm pretty sure it's secure enough.
All right, perfect. So our next question, can I use my own icons in Biela?
Yes, you can use your own icons in Biela. You may want to upload them somewhere. You can't upload them on Biela right away, but you will be able to do so. I think next week or something like this.
Perfect. Next question. 8 p.m. CET, yes. No. We're 8 p.m. by the UAE, by Dubai time. I'm sorry, guys. But on all the social media platforms, we will be sharing the time zone, like the most often used time zone. So you guys will not miss it out. And we'll make sure that we inform you in advance.
If you're following us on YouTube, subscribe, like, share, do all the things that people do on YouTube so that you know when we're going live and you're getting.
I think one of the good parts is that all of these calls will be saved under the Biela profile, so you can always go back and recap. Next question
is hosting included or can I deploy elsewhere? Well, hosting is included in a sense that you can deploy on our own servers and you will have a domain something.onbiela.dev. If you want to use your own domain, right now it's not available, but it will be very soon. However, if you have a hosting already, you can download your project, build it, and upload it on your hosting. It will work.
Do you have any requirements to apply the Wall of Fame? Well, yes. You need to participate in our competition. You need to place your project. You need to get the maximum vote and become one of our winners. So yes, there is certain terms and conditions that you can read on the website directly.
When you want to upload your project in the Wall of Fame, you will see there the conditions written precisely. It's two conditions. If you want to participate, first you need to have your card verified, and second you have to submit your project. However, if you want to qualify for the first 3 places to win one of the 3 money prizes, you need to have 3 referrals from what I know, and there is one more condition. Let me find it real quick. By the way, if you go on our website, you will have there also listed all the conditions. And you have to like one project from the Wall of Fame that is not your project. You can only like one project, so you have to do it if you want to qualify for the first 3 positions.
Perfect. Oh, this question is very interesting. Where's the API keys are stored and how they can get an access to it?
Okay, most likely they are stored in the env file, which can't be accessed from outside. It's the AI does this by default. You don't have to mention it. It will do this on its own.
Can I build AI-related website using Biela, such as AI image generator, AI CV generator, and etc.?
Yes, you can do this. However, you may need an API key from LLM that generates images or other kind of generate texts, let's say, or something like this. And I can assure you that it works. We've done this plenty of times during our tests.
Next question. You've mentioned having partnerships with others. Is there anything you can share with us during this live session? We'll make sure that we post all the partnerships that we are signing on our website. If you will scroll down, you will see all the major partnerships that we have successfully signed over this short period of time. This is one of the signs for you that Biela is gonna go global.
And we'll bring these partners to these calls, so you'll get to see how they think they can
That
use
would
us.
be awesome. I think that would be great, introducing our community to big names. Can it handle cookies?
Yes, of course it can. By default, even local storage, if you want to use, it can handle.
Nice, nice. Do you see the difference between the questions now? Since people started trying Biela, like we
Yes.
started getting more real, more engaging, more like, I love it, I love it. I can't wait for the next week call. Can I suggest some topics for the next stream? Please do. Please
Yes.
do. We're really looking forward for any type of feedback, because we want to, as I said last time, we want to meet your expectations. So please go ahead.
Comment on any of the socials, join the Telegram group, ask the questions, check the videos. This is a community.
I saw in the chat there is a question about the cookies, whether it can handle chocolate or vanilla cookies. Very small. You see the developers, I swear,
It can handle any type
is
of
on the next level. All right. So I think we would keep the Q&A session for today short. But guys, I would really, really appreciate if you will join our social media channels, find us on LinkedIn, on X, everywhere, and shoot your questions directly there. Please go to our website, go to our support function, start asking us questions there, raise tickets, reach out to us, join our Telegram group, because we share a lot of insight there. Moreover, you can do peer-to-peer learning. You can discuss with each other, motivate each other, and come up with like better projects. And you know what I remembered? Last call and today we were talking about the competition with the prices, and we never mentioned the tank game competition. I think that it needs a bit more attention than it actually had. So for all of you that skipped that part, because it was during this exclusive launch before we went to the free trial, right? On our Telegram group, so we decided to come up with a small challenge where do you remember, guys, in our childhood we had a tank game. Very simple one, right? So what you can do is we share there the link of the game, and we will share it today again. All right. I want you to take that link, to place it on Biela, and give it a prompt in terms of, for example, to redesign it, or you can give it get an inspiration from something else and redesign the tank game in the way that you would like to see it and you would like to play it. And please join the tank game competition with that. To be honest, we already had a deadline, but I feel like I'm receiving a lot of people's messages saying that they would like to participate and they would like to also, to come up with the cool ideas. So I propose, if John and George agrees, obviously, to extend the deadline of a tank game until Thursday. On Thursday, we will choose the best projects, and then on Friday call, when we will have our next call, we will invite these people to participate in the call and share their thoughts on how they came up with it, what was their inspiration, how easy it was, and how long it took them time. And like this small will start getting the community joining us to the call. So if you guys agree, let's extend the deadline, and next Thursday we will contact the shall I call them developers now?
Creators.
Creators, exactly. And basically on Friday, we will have you guys with us on the call.
Perfect. I agree.
I have a question. Who is John exactly? John, would you like to introduce yourself? That part, because you're a heart of the company.
I'm John. So I've spent around 2 decades working at the intersection of people and technology. I've never learned how to code anything. So I've always been concerned about the application of technology and the impact it has on people, whether they be individuals, communities, industries, or society. And this project is incredibly exciting for me because it puts the technology in the hands of the creators rather than the developers, to be very honest. So we're incredibly grateful to our developers within the community, but now we're making this accessible to anyone. And the barrier to success is now how you want to create rather than your ability to code. And so that's why I'm here, and I'll be working every hour I can possibly work to enable that ecosystem to mean that you guys have the opportunity that you need to build what you want and to put the right technology in your hands as easily and as accessibly as possible.
Okay. At the same time, we have a question here about the tank game. Yes. I was talking about the tank game, like very old one where you were shooting. So that's exactly the game that we want you to recreate, to give it a second life, let's say.
You can find more details about it in the Telegram group. If you are not in the Telegram group, you can't know about it. It's only for the Telegram group. But you have to join that.
It's like a secret community of people that are coming up with brilliant ideas. So please be one of us. And just to recap it, we're going to share the details and the link for the tank game again, so you guys won't miss it out. Grab it now and let's see what we can create together. So we have one more question. After websites have been published for the competition, can any changes still be made? So once they submit their project, can they amend it?
Yes, they can, of course, improve their project. Only that I would ask them not to be so structural changes. Let it be the same website, just improved. Because the AI is very good at building websites, but it's even better at improving websites. So yes.
So perfect.
Use the chat to create the structure, to create the intent, to create the idea, and then you can use Biela to adapt it over time. But get the idea right in your own head first.
Okay, awesome. So this is our Telegram channel. Look, we guys put it on the big screen for you not to miss it out. And we're going to add it to the comment section or to the bio of this call as well, the Telegram group link, so you guys can go click and join us. And yeah, I think that's all for today. We'll keep it short, and we'll see you guys back next Friday. But on Friday, we will have more people joining us, and we will pick the people from the community to tell us about their experience of building the tank game using Biela. So guys, we still have time until 15th of May. Please use Biela, create multiple projects, participate in our competitions, reach out to us, share what would you like to add, what is your feedbacks. If you're facing any issues, we are ready to assist you, we're ready to support you. In fact, we get very happy when you reach out to us. So thank you so much for joining us. Thank you for your time, and it was an honor to be here with you. See you next Friday.
See you next week, guys.
Bye.
Bye.